This is a long day. I've been busy so much that I have been doing so many projects, and I'm trying to figure out the best route of how to end this video, technically. But hopefully everything will go well, and we'll be able to uh, play our beloved game, Ratchet Clank, and get it completed. So, you guys are all waiting very intensively. We'll jump right into it and try to finish the game as fast as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave those comments down below. I definitely read them and check them out. Let's get started.
Hydraulic supply restored.
With that fixed, we should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz.
Okay. We made it. I'm guessing we missed some
It's
stuff.
been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Wow.
Really? That is very specific.
Yeah.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Okay.
Out with my hammer.
Please, be
Okay.
careful.
Thanks.
There! Capture them and take whatever they are carrying.
Oh, not so fast. Okay. Oh,
Rivet.
oh, oh, crystal broken pieces. Okay,
Oh, no.
why now?
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it. I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the Fixer. If it's broke, the Fixer'll fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
Mm-hmm. So many. Another. Okay, we're going
Works for
to this
me.
place now. Go! Nice. Nice shuttle. Not sure what it is emitting. Looks very interesting.
At least this mission will be a straightforward one.
I don't know about your dimension, but out here, things never go according to plan. Improvisation is a skill you learn very fast.
I also have a talent for improvisation.
Well, I can't wait to see you in action.
Take it from improv classes. Okay. More of these small robots. Thanks to you with all the...
New tourists? Oh, welcome to the jewel of our galaxy. Please, enjoy yourselves. Did you know Molinoff means paradise in Junkish?
No.
Is the Fixer on this planet?
He most definitely is. Great guy, the best, and single, if either of you are interested.
We were told that he can fix phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, any quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Title.
Perhaps we could
It was,
fix him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molinoff minute.
Gundam?
But the path to him was
Another
destroyed
word
in the
for
last pirate raid, so you'll
Mac-
need a hurl shot. Oh!
And we missed the rift.
Oh no.
Oh, that's the ho, our time has finally
Pirate.
come. Let us plunder like mad and go break bad, for the fixer is all but done.
Look here, mateys, this looks useful. In fact, I've a notion that it be crucial.
It seems
That's right.
fate has brought us together again.
Oh yeah.
Ma petite Rivet.
Guess fate really loves seeing you get your butt kicked, Pierre.
Ah! Yoo-hoo! Pirate mateys! Attack!
We got it. Hey.
We've got the hurl shot. Now we just have to get across that pirate field.
New boss fight? Right? Ah, so close. With
Are
the
we going
cartoon.
to dance?
No, we are not.
There be no plague for ye to walk in. Your end lies with me. Stand still and say goodbye. This is what ye get for trying to steal what is ours.
What's yours? Ha!
Be a fool's quest to look for the fixer. I shall save me the trouble. Come here, shockwave.
We're wearing him down!
You're not going to scuttle me!
Wow.
I never miss!
Halt my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be expenses? Are ye sure?
Okay. Shoot. With his own ship. Okay. He destroyed? Yeah, he destroyed.
I suggest we abandon ship.
Yeah.
Suggestion noted!
Okay. Get out of there. Ah, right in your face. Jesus.
Nice
What a
one, Bolt.
metaphor.
Whew. I'm happy
For
if I
this
never saw
video,
a pirate
and that was
again.
it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me those comments down below. I'll see you guys next
can
time.
now use
Stay
the hurl
safe
shot to
online
reach
and on
the
flight.
fixer.
Good night.